Our system supports downloading a remote console for devices with Supermicro, Dell DRAC, American Megatrends, and HP ILO version 3 software. We've explained how to configure a connection to IPMI for a dedicated server in our previous video. Now please note that the IPMI board type field is the most important when it comes to the console operation. Based on this field, our system selects the appropriate script used to download the Java applet from the device management panel. Additionally, if the factory device management panel operates on a port other than port 80, you can specify it in the IPMI remote console port field. To download the Java applet, go to the Device Summary view and find a widget containing the button for the remote console download. The Java applet will be automatically downloaded and launched after you click on the Launch Console button. Now please note that it is downloaded directly from the device management panel, therefore it has to be accessible from the internet for the end user. In our next video, we also explain how to use proxy servers for the IPMI console to keep it more secure.